Hello everybody, this is Christy from kitty_plants on Instagram. So for today, I will be doing my plan with me in my A5 wide planner and Sadie stickers inserts. And for this week, I am using the winter pages from Dash of Sun Designs. This is such a gorgeous kit, and yet it will be for the third week of February. I got the full kit with the deco and the standard planner kit. So yeah, do stick around while I put down the base, and I'll talk to you in a while.
Beneath the starlit sky, our love's secret line, like leaves we soar so high. Beneath the moonlight, the soft touch your hand in mine gets me every time. Lost in the city lights, our love's electric ride. You make me feel alive. I know July is gone. You make me feel at home in the neon glow. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Beneath an endless night, the world spins around. You're there, ease my mind. Like stars that never die, you and I will shine during the darkest times. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do.
Alright, so let's get to the base. I will be using the really big like deco from the deco kit. It's just like a bookstore and like someone browsing in the bookstore. So that's why I wanted to put these two stickers together. And again, with my diagonal way of putting the stickers, I just really like that pattern of like just putting it this way. But then you see that square part, yeah, on the girl reading the books. That's why I covered it with that big sticker so that it doesn't come out as like very straight. I just don't like the straight edges if it's not aligned to like a column. So that's why I covered it with the books and also like empty space on its area. All right, I did get the other trees and then some of the foil. So I was supposed to use this for like the first week of Feb, but then I got the wrong foil. I ordered the wrong what do you call this, attached foil, or what do you call some foil sampler. So that's why I had to wait until I got it. That's why I made it for the third week of Feb, which was still okay. And then I'm just using some of the full boxes and for the other half of this page, which yeah turned out really pretty and so cozy. I just love this spread. And then yeah, I'll just be putting all deco all around the page, especially like the sidebar and some snowflakes like falling, the snowflakes from the kit as well, the colored snowflakes, which are so cute. And of course the florals, we've got to have that. So yeah, that is basically it for this base, and this will probably be the last base for a while in my A5 wide insert. So yeah, I'll talk to you in the day today.
Change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. As the leaves change color, I dive into you. When summer's fading, there's nothing to do but bask in the glory of the winter sun. Maybe this is the season of love. Maybe this is the season of love.
All right, so for the day today, I did prepare breakfast for my daughter and her friends who had a sleepover. And yeah, this like I cooked them pancakes and bacon, so regular. They actually really liked it, so I'm like, okay, that's good. I usually don't cook. We don't usually don't have breakfast around our house, so since we had guests, of course, I had to prepare some for them. And then I did take a nap because I was feeling so. I think this was President's Day, I believe. But I had work, but I just needed to attend to the girls. And then I did have that nap. And I was listening to You Deserve to Know. What is You Deserve to Know? Now I can't remember what that is. I have to look into my notes. So that those stickers, that audio like AirPods are from Miss and Meow. I just love her icons, and I'm glad that she has those in her shop. So if you do want to shop, she is open right now, and you can get she has a sale ongoing, and you can get 15% off as well if you want to use my code or add on my code to any sale she has. All right, You Deserve to Know is, what is it? It was a dragging story for me. Okay, I'm also getting confused among all the names. I can't remember what this was anymore. I'll have to go back on what it was. All right, so on Tuesday, I had to bring my daughter's shoes to her school because she forgot that she forgot to bring her shoes, and it was a PE day for them. So, like her rubber shoes or her sneakers. I brought it to school, but unfortunately, she didn't use it because she said they didn't call her from the place where she's supposed to pick up. So I'm like, oh my goodness, I had to rush to the school, and I was at work as well. So I'm like, ugh. And then we did go after her school. We went to Barnes and Noble. I bought just one book, and then we had some ice cream. She had some ice cream or some yogurt at Red Mango. On Wednesday, I got some Happy Mail from Paper Trail Plants and Imperfect Plants. Yes, nice. And then I did go for a walk outside. Oh, and I was listening to Olivia Dean, my favorite right now. I just love her music. And after that, I was able to edit a plan with me. So on Thursday, we did eat out. Oh no, this was like a daddy and daughter date. So my husband and my daughter went off to a ramen spot that we went with my husband previously, and he wanted to bring my daughter over there to that ramen shop, and I was like, yeah, just go ahead, it's fine. I didn't need to go because it wasn't my favorite ramen actually, but anyways, they had a fun time. And yeah, it's good to have those kinds of daddy daughter dates, and hopefully they'll have more in the future. So I did go for a grocery run later, and then I was able to also upload my plan with me for January. All right, so on Friday, what would happen on Friday? My daughter had, of course, her ninja class. And again, oh my goodness, she had some like dirt on her pants, and she wanted to hopefully get, I don't know. I'm so much spoiling her. I go to Target and buy her like pants to wear, and she didn't wear it because it wasn't her. She didn't like it. So I'm like, oh my goodness. I'm like, yeah, next time, never. I'm not gonna do it again. You're not gonna make me do this. So yeah, that was what happened. And then I did get some Korean barbecue chicken for takeout, and also I dropped by Costco for some groceries. All right. So on Saturday, I was filming a haul, and wow, it's also my first time to talk through my hours journal. So I'm loving the talk through anyway. So that's why I've decided to go a different route of just doing talk throughs for my videos. And then I did get takeout from where we did get takeout from. Oh, Shake Shack, and Jersey Mike's. Oh, and this was the time you were like looking for Nido. So let me know, why is Nido so famous, and like it's like every kid wants to have one. It's all out of stock in all the stores. So we were looking for it all over, and we couldn't find any. So yeah, too bad for that. And then up to now, up to this date, they're still looking for like needles. I'm like, what is the craze over needles? It's like this squishy thing, this squishy toy that's so cute though. I liked how it looks. All right, so I did upload another daily journaling. I think it was for the Blissful Jayde Designs March loop. And then, ooh, I was listening to The Will of the Many. Ooh, that's a really good sci-fi book, and it's pretty long. And I actually listened to it on audio because I'm like I couldn't read it. Like it took me forever to read it, so that's why I just did it through audio. So yeah, these are the leftovers from this kit. So very many yet to use, and this will be maybe the last wiggle for some time. And yeah, thank you always for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.